All right, so we are going to learn how to make clouds, which we already know how to do, right? We've done this before. So this is telling you use the ellipse tool, create a few circles, and then we're going to use the pathfinder tool to unite them. Use the rectangle tool to draw the bottom part to make the flat bottom. So we have not done that, so let's go ahead and do that. So I have my mountains here. I'm going to go and make them a little bit smaller and draw out some clouds really quickly. Just going to make this white. It's gray. Okay, I'm going to group these all together and hit unite. And then what I'm going to do is draw out a rectangle across the bottom here and change this to white, change this to gray, change this to 1, 2, and I'm going to round these corners. And then unite them. Okay, so it made a flat bottom cloud. So that's how you would make a flat bottom cloud, and you can, copy this, or obviously you would want to make the clouds different. I feel like with the flat bottom clouds, they are pretty similar. Like it's really hard to tell, like you can't flip them and it'd be different. So I would definitely make different ones rather than copying them. All right.